Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make zucchini pancakes without flour. Start by grating 2 medium zucchinis, aiming for about 3 cups. The most important step for perfect, crispy pancakes is removing excess moisture. Use a clean kitchen towel or paper towels to firmly squeeze out as much liquid as possible. This prevents your pancakes from becoming soggy and ensures a delightful texture. It's a simple trick that makes all the difference in achieving that golden brown finish. Now let's create our flourless binding. In a bowl, combine your well-drained zucchini with 1 large egg. Next, stir in 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese for a savory kick. To help everything hold together, add 2 tablespoons of almond flour or coconut flour. These ingredients work together beautifully to create a sturdy batter without any traditional wheat flour, ensuring your pancakes stay intact. Time to season and cook. Add about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper to your zucchini mixture. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once hot, drop spoonfuls of the batter into the pan, gently flattening them into small patties. Cook for approximately 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Your delicious flourless zucchini pancakes are ready. Serve them warm as a fantastic side dish or a light meal. They pair wonderfully with a dollop of Greek yogurt or sour cream for a creamy contrast. A sprinkle of fresh herbs, such as dill or chives, adds a lovely fresh finish. These versatile pancakes are a healthy and flavorful option for any time of day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.